The Indian stock market benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty 50 traded lower on Thursday following a sharp sell-off in global markets. This decline came after US President Donald Trump announced reciprocal tariffs on over 180 countries, including a 26% tariff on India, which is half the rate India imposes on US imports. Additionally, Trump imposed a 25% tariff on automobile imports into the US. These developments led to selling pressure in sectors like IT and automobiles, while pharma stocks gained as they were exempted from the tariffs for now. Indian IT stocks bore the brunt of the sell-off. Among all the sectoral indices, Nifty IT index was the biggest hit, plummeting more than 3% in trade on Thursday. Shares of Infosys Limited, TCS, and Wipro saw significant declines on Thursday. The Nifty IT index emerged as the top sectoral loser as global trade tensions weighed heavily on investor sentiment. In contrast to this, Indian pharmaceutical stocks with strong exposure to the US, such as Gland Pharma Limited, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, DRL, and Sun Pharma, surged. The Nifty Pharma Index recorded a 4.5% surge in early trading, marking its biggest single-day gain since September 2020. This was driven by Trump's decision not to impose tariffs on the sector. Gold prices soared amid risk-off sentiment. MCX gold futures hit an all-time high of 91,423 rupees per 10 grams. As of 10:40 am, gold was trading 380 rupees higher at 91,100 rupees per 10 grams on MCX, reflecting increased demand for safe haven assets. CEO of StockScart Pranay Agrawal said that heightened trade tensions may weaken the Indian rupee and deter foreign direct investments, though domestic stimulus measures could mitigate risks. Defensive stocks like FMCG and utilities may outperform, whereas cyclical sectors such as automobiles and metals could struggle. Long-term impacts will depend on negotiations, but caution is advised in the near term. Currently, India imposes a 10% tariff on pharma imports from the US, while the US does not levy any tariffs on Indian pharmaceutical imports. India's trade surplus with the US is not substantial. According to the Indian Brand Equity Foundation, in FY24, India recorded a trade surplus of $36.8 billion with the US. Indian exports to the US stood at $77.5 billion, while American exports to India totaled at $40.7 billion.